At first at 4, Governor Josh Green was forced to defend Hawaii's response to the COVID pandemic in a contentious hearing at the U.S. Senate today.
The governor was the only supporter of vaccines on a panel with others who claimed the government lied and covered up vaccine risks. Daryl Huff has the heated testimony and the governor's reaction to his grilling.
It was literally 5 against 1. Governor Green, the only defender of vaccines and pandemic restrictions, at a hearing that was titled The Corruption of Science and Federal Health Agencies.
They've lied to us. So again, you can keep saying that, oh, follow the science. No, the science has been corrupted and the agencies have been corrupted. So we have not been able to believe in them.
Everyone else is talking about corruption, okay? I was doing the work.
We had doctors that had the courage to treat COVID patients as well. So.
Yeah, and I was a COVID patient also and in isolation for 14 days, and it was the right thing to do at the time.
They lied to us, just like they lied and said, this thing's going to stay in your arm, when they knew it wouldn't, and we know conclusively it does not.
Maybe someday we will find that there should have been more transparency. Maybe people will find ultimately, maybe, that vaccines cause more harm than people were able to report at the time. However, it's my firm belief as a provider of healthcare and a person who had to make a state plan that there is value in providing vaccinations like this.
Republican Committee Chairman Ron Johnson was easy on Green compared to Senator Bernie Moreno of Ohio, who challenged Hawaii's entire COVID response.
Where's the science where I had to quarantine for 14 days? Tell me the science behind why you locked your residents up and did not allow them to go grocery shopping, why you closed your beaches and your parks.
14 days was how long it took for people to get over the disease, and people were still shedding virus through that period, and that's why you do use science and I use science, but you didn't like science for Hawaii. But we did have the test, and we did have the test to enter Hawaii, so people could make a choice, an informed choice, and they did. And then they didn't have to quarantine at all. Just to make sure you know that, because I think you got your facts wrong. And also, I didn't close the beaches. That was the mayor of Honolulu and not me. So just, it is important that you get the facts right if you're going to be a political official.
So that's what you're saying. It wasn't me. It was the other guy.
No, it was me who ran the COVID response.
Zero accountability. Dr. McCullough,
I'll take more accountability if you give me more time.
I'm done with you, Governor.
He came in there to score some cheap points so he could put it on his Twitter feed, which he did immediately. That guy is a son of a gun, and he doesn't deserve to be in office. So anybody who knows anyone in Ohio, tell them that guy is a turkey.
Governor Green says he was flattered to be chosen as the lone defender of public health agencies at a time that he says those agencies need more help than ever. Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.
Daryl, thank you.